I really think na yung mga liga like Shakey's po is like an exam, no? And yung trainings is like reviewing for the exam. So, yung pre-produce ng mga teams, like Adamson, other schools po, na players, doon na e-examine kung gaano kagaling or gaano yung tinarbaho nila doon sa tinraining nila. So, I really think it's a big opportunity for the players, young players, na makaharap yung mga best of the best of other places. I mean, like buong Philippines. Kasi tayo tayo, like iba't iba ang galing, and sa Luzon, madami rin tayong schools. So, I think nahahasa lalo yung tapang ng bata and yung talino ng bata sa paglalaro. And big help coming to college. Kasi parang overview na rin siya for college.
All these accolades that you had in high school and now you're playing in college, hindi ka ba na-pressure na ibang level na itong pinasukan mo and people were expecting a lot from you?
Ano po? Siguro hindi ko lang po ganun na like in-endure or like feel yung pressure kasi I have a good support system which is sila Coach Yude, yung teammates ko po, yung family ko, and yung Adamson community, sila father, yung Akari, I have a good support system. So I really, na hindi ko siya masyado naramdaman na I have to be something that they want me to be. But ang mas pinaramdam nila sa akin na I just have to be what I want to be. So yeah. Very proud actually, no? Kasi it was starting kung ano yung pinlano talaga namin na nila coach. Simula napunta ako ng Adamson, nagsimula nung kilala namin si Coach Julie. Actually, lahat kami. Nasa isang page kami, lalo na nung high school kami. And balak talaga namin siyang gawin for college kung will ni Lord na mangyari ulit yun, no? So, very proud ako, but again, we won't stop there. Kasi nasa-start pa lang. Kailangan itigil talaga. So, we have to push harder every season na pag-graduate.